And there's the bell.
This match has started. This is a classic. Two guys battling it out one-on-one. Remember, only the strong survive.
He looks absolutely unstoppable here. I can tell you this about where an opponent's head should be when he's in the ring with John Cena. If the opportunity comes up, you have got to put him away. Don't be caught off guard for 1 second. You're not going to get many chances to finish Cena off. And if you don't take the ones you get, you're going to regret it.
Nice dodge there. He's displaying classic offense here.
Yeah, that's when he's the most dangerous.
Cena reverses it.
Oh, what? Wait a minute. Well,
what a shot. If you take many more like that, you're going to resemble a heavy bag.
I'm not sure I can watch this.
You know, King, you make a good point, so I'll ask you this about that famous durability and resilience of John Cena. What is it that allows him to stay in matches even when it looks like he's on the verge of being dominated? I mean, we've seen him come back practically from the dead so many times.
Oh, you're right. John Cena is just the ultimate competitor, Michael. He refuses to give in to anyone, no matter what state he's in. And Cena's only gotten tougher over the course of his career. That's what makes it even more astounding. He's as strong now as he's ever been.
We're looking at complete domination here.
We know it's all over but the shouting.
Look at this. This could be it.
That's it. He's done. Oh, once you get out of the ring, anything can happen. You've got exposed steel, concrete, the barricades, and all of it can be used to cause massive damage.
4. Quick thinking to avoid that.
Getting back into the ring now.
King, you can take a breath.
You know, Michael, it seems hard to believe that John Cena has held the WWE Championship more than 10 times. I know,
unreal.
That sounds impossible. I remember the 10th time he won the title, taking it from Alberto Del Rio in Buffalo on the Night of Champions in 2011. That was the kind of a milestone that we might get to witness once in a generation.
And we called the match.
Yes.
With action like this, it's no wonder Raw has been around as long as it has.
Oh, wait, nice reversal.
You know, we were talking about the incredible way John Cena secured his 10th WWE Championship. The deck was stacked against him on that Night of Champions in 2011.
Yes.
He had to beat Alberto Del Rio, and the Mexican aristocrat had some help. But as he usually does, John Cena dug down deep. He beat the odds, and he claimed the title. Cena was a man possessed that night.
Oh, Cena was possessed all right, Michael. And he did some repossessing, too. He stole Alberto's car before the match and entered the arena in it. That's it. He's out. Look how slow he is to recover here. That was some serious punishment. Executed perfectly, and check out the look of satisfaction in those eyes. Hey, the shoulders are down.
He's simply reminding him that he's here.
He's in full-on attack mode now. Oh, out of nowhere!
Thanks for watching, everyone. Kick back, relax, and enjoy your Monday night with some great WWE action. Submission locked in, and this might be it.
Oh, man, this has got to hurt.
Just a dominating display.
Yeah, I think we could see a lot of punishment inflicted here.
Both of these competitors have so much resolve, it's going to take a minor miracle. Covers.
1, 2, 3. Wow, what a tremendous victory.